Government agencies are facing big infrastructure decisions. They need ideas that empower a more mobile and responsive government workforce without sacrificing security or efforts to reduce costs. As a longtime cloud advocate and the Director of Strategic Alliances for Stoneware, Ken Quinton has seen a shift in both VDI user demands and product offerings.
I believe the traditional VDI technology providers are recognizing what's happening in the market, and they see the shift toward more web-centric, more mobile devices, more mobile end users, and they recognize that VDI wasn't really designed to address that.
BYOD has moved beyond smartphones to include diverse PC, non-PC, and PC Plus devices. This means users can get more done, but it also makes the job of managing and securing these devices more complicated.
We're seeing web-based applications being peeled out and delivered separately. We're seeing vendors go after file systems separately, and a greater focus on mobility and mobile devices. So we're definitely seeing the market shift, and the VDI vendors are reacting.
Even VDI proponents admit the technology has key limitations: support for mobile devices, support for rich content, and performance in low bandwidth environments.
I think the challenge for VDI specifically will be how do I make this very Windows-centric offering work well on devices that I don't own, I don't manage, and many of them are not Windows devices. And I think it'll be a pretty tall order for VDI to be a comprehensive BYOD solution.
From his dual roles across both Lenovo and Stoneware and an award-winning technical career, Rich Cheston is the voice of experience on where VDI has been and where it's headed.
I didn't wake up one morning and become a believer in the cloud. You know, I saw the difficulties customers were having managing clients and then the promise of VDI. And although VDI hasn't been successful, it's been successful in a few unique use cases. For example, a call center is a great place for VDI because everybody free seats, you got significant bandwidth to a local server. But it wasn't scaling in other areas. And so as customers tried to solve the problems that they had been focused on, as well as new problems like BYOD, it became clear to me that the web was going to be the answer to that problem. And a lot of things have happened since then that kind of confirm it. For example, every presentation that I make, I ask a customer, if you had your choice, would you rather roll out a traditional FAT application like Microsoft Office, or would you rather roll out a cloud-based application? They'll all say a cloud-based application. They write it once, everybody gets it. They patch it, everybody gets it. It runs on every device, it runs a browser. It's just a much better approach to computing.
As agency IT ecosystems get more diverse in users, devices, and data sources, webNetwork from Stoneware unites agency data centers, cloud resources, and local applications.